In this project, the ESP board collects sensor data and makes a post request to the Flask server. Flask, running in a container built from the Docker file, accepts the data, stores it in Redis database, and serves a web page. Redis, running in its own container, holds all sensor values in memory for fast retrieval. Docker Compose coordinates these containers, sets up networks for them to communicate, and allows you to start everything with a single command, Docker Compose up. We will talk briefly about the project components and its purpose. Docker Compose orchestrates Docker application. It does the following in our project: defines and runs two services, web page and Redis database. Sets up container networking, front-end net, back-end net. Manages volumes to persist/share data. Simplifies startup with a single Docker Compose up command. Docker file used for building the Docker image for the Flask web service. It does the following in our project: specifies the base image, which is Python 3.9 Alpine. Installs dependencies from requirements.txt file, which are Flask and Redis. Copies application file app.py into the container. Sets the default command Python app.py to run the web server. Redis database stores sensor readings sent from the Flask app. Flask is a Python web framework used for handling HTTP requests. It receives sensor data and stores it in Redis. And displays live sensor readings in a table in the web page. ESP code just reads sensor data and then sends it to the Flask web app by post request.